Thank you. See ya. Let's go. Okay, so we're number 370.
370.
Yeah. Alright, thank you very much. 370.
Yeah.
370.
No, don't need to push it, mate. Get in your luggage. Get Daddy in.
Looking for 370.
Come on.
370.
Oh, 370.
Which one are we? 370. Okay, want the key card?
Pass.
Thank you.
Either. Dad. My bag. Stop. My bag. It's okay. Guys.
I am innocent.
Grab hold
Okay,
of
take all the stuff.
Oh no. She kissed me. Light.
Light.
This light is better.
So, quick room tour.
Wait, Dad, wait. Excuse me. Can I some privacy?
Oh, hello. It's a very nice bath.
So, come here. So, this is our sink with some soaps. And there's a mirror for me to do my makeup. All of the girls to do that makeup.
Lovely.
I don't know what this is. There's a bin. There's extra toilet roll. There's
Mama like a bath.
there is a shower bath.
Shower bath.
There's a toilet. Nice.
Nice.
There's a shower bath.
It's literally tiny.
Yeah, there we
Lovely.
go. And then
Nice bathroom. Lovely.
and then let's go here.
What else we got?
There is a mirror slash cupboard.
What's in there?
Mirror slash
Oh, it lights up lovely.
yes. Cupboard. And there's an ironing in there, so Mum can iron our clothes.
Oh,
Dad, you
yeah.
almost knocked the suitcase over. And then
Oh, look.
Oh my god, there's literally an ironing board and an iron.
Look what it says. Hold on. Welcome. Enjoy your stay,
this is good.
Caroline.
This is good because we can put our swimming clothes on here. There's a nice bed. This is Mum's and Dad's bed.
Cool.
And then this is me and Lil's bed. Me and Lil have to share a bed.
Sorry.
Doesn't it turn into a TV? But doesn't there's a TV?
There's a TV.
There is a problem.
What's
What
the
if you
problem?
sleep in Mum and Dad's bed?
No. Has to be fair. So Mum and Dad.
And what we got?
So
A spinny
we haven't noticed that. Come over here.
Ooh, let's turn it on. That one. Turn the temperature right down. Oh, it's kicked in. Is that back in America?
This is the cupboard.
Yeah, it's just
And then this is Mum's and Dad's bed. And then this is
We have a drawer for each of the girls.
yes.
cool.
And then this is me and Lil's bed.
Nice mirror. Nice big TV.
Guys, this is Mum and Dad's bed.
Yeah.
This is me and Lil's bed.
Cool.
And also, if you come around here,
Can't believe you have to share a bed. Feeling.
We've got teas and
if you
coffees,
come over here, guys,
kettles and water.
come over here.
Yeah.
We've got a nice view.
We've got a view. What's our view? Oh, you can see the airport.
Can you open?
I can see a plane.
So can I. Dad, can you open that handle? Oh, that's a really big shame.
I know,
It's got a
shame.
handle and it doesn't open.
Security. But you have got aircon, so you should be alright.
Okay, guys.
You see the airport?
But Lil, me and Lil both get to sleep here because we got a nice view. So this is me and Lil.
No, it doesn't open. Ooh.
Where is my mini bag?
Look,
Oh.
there he is.
2, 1,
Ooh.
1.
Not pretty cool.
Yeah. Now I'm sorting out these.
And this is the view of the room from here.
So this is
This big
me and
TV.
Lil's bed here.
It's
It's
in
got a
front
big
of our.
telly, isn't
It's
it?
in front of us.
Yeah.
I'm literally going to sleep in here and me later.
Ah, the big tower.
Yeah.
See. Back to your
Whoa! Wait, Dad, there's a note!
What does the note say? Rest assured, we are committed to high levels of cleanliness. That means clean.
I think these are it.
They're coffees for Mum.
And you.
I don't like coffee. Nice mirror.
I think this can turn on.
So this is what we're going to have for dinner tonight.
I thought you said we're going out.
Yeah, to the restaurant.
Where is it?
Here.
Oh, okay.
So this is what we're eating. We get room service.
Switch the light on. Someone switch that cable on down there. I want to turn this on.
Okay, well then you got your remote control for your telly.
No giving up.
There's no giving up.
Cheerleaders do not give up. No, switch the light on. Yay, Dad, look.
Does it work?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Is it on? Oh, yeah.
Look. This, you've only got a little knob. Guys,
Nice bathroom.
we just noticed, we've got a mini fridge. Open it up.
Put the waters and cans in there.
Oh, no, you record. Okay, you guys, just time lapse this. This is going to be No,
Condensation.
hold this. Yeah, but we haven't got them yet. I'm the mini sort of fridge thingy.
We've got room cards. We've got a meal voucher because we're having dinner tonight and we're having breakfast tomorrow.
Okay, so you need your Crocs lace.
Is there Wi-Fi here? Do we know?
Yeah, I got a code.
Yeah, you got the code for
It's on my
Wi-Fi?
phone. I'll send it you.
I'll insert it here. We got that from reception, I believe.
It was on the computer.
And now we're just going to unpack and go swimming.
So, this is what I've done. So I've got all of my makeup in here. Isn't that so neat? And then this is Mum's drawer and that's little straw. But bye, see you at, where are we going? Swimming. You ready, guys?
Yes.
Do we need to turn the lights off?
Yeah.
Leave the card in but turn the lights off.
Yeah.
So the card...
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.